Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow.
Over the last couple of days, the temperatures have dropped like crazy here. This is the interior of our door. And today the high temperature was minus 28 degrees. Yet I did brave the cold to go out and see the ice fog, which I'll explain in a minute. But first, yesterday, another YouTuber, Gurdeep Pendhare, he watched the temperatures drop down to minus 40 degrees because minus 40 is the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, thus his two thermometers. And if you haven't heard of this guy, he is a lot of fun. I have experienced really cold temperatures plenty of times, but this is the first time I've seen something called ice fog. It's a phenomenon that only happens in a very small number of very cold places in the world. And we get it in Atlin because we have this very large lake, which takes a long time to freeze. And when it clashes with extremely cold air, ice crystals form, and it looks like water vapor steaming off the lake, but it's just ice crystals being pulled off of the lake, causing this fog. Also, these photos were taken at noon. It looks like sunset, but that's because we're very close to the shortest day of the year, so the sun is just hanging very low in the southern sky. One of my favorite parts of this whole ice fog thing is seeing how the ice has formed on different surfaces during the freezing process. So here's some really, really excellent hoarfrost. And in these pictures you can see the ice layers that the lake left behind as it was losing volume and freezing. So the lake actually lost a ton of volume over the last couple days since the cold front moved in, because so much of it is coming off in the form of ice fog. And there's ice starting to form around the lake on the rocks, so we're getting closer to having some frozen patches. But this is still a gigantic lake, so it will still take a while to freeze, but luckily we have 5 consecutive days of these super cold temperatures, so the lake will actually have the chance to form some ice, and hopefully by January or February we'll have a solid frozen lake. I'm looking forward to all the other fun winter adventures ahead when the lake is frozen, and there is more snow falling right now, so we're gonna have more snow as well to play with. Bye.
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game.